Hi, Abu. I am Lynn with Digital Energy, and I wanted to thank you for this opportunity to make this video for you. I just want to introduce myself and share some things that I see whenever I do competitor analysis and how this can help your business in the future. So first of all, I started off my career in the restaurant business. I did that for about 22 years. It's one of my favorite things I've ever done. Unfortunately, it's not very conducive to family life. So that led me to insurance sales. Unfortunately, insurance companies are too worried about making money and selling policies to people that they don't need than actually helping people. So that wasn't a good fit for me. So that led me searching. I tried all different kinds of things. I did multi-level marketing. I tried investing. I did property management. I looked at a lot of different things. One thing I did know is I didn't want Walmart to take over the world, and that led me to digital marketing and helping small businesses. I knew instantly that this is what I wanted to do. I get to research, which funnily enough I love. I get to be creative, and I get to help people, which is at the very core of what I wanted to do. So let's go ahead and talk about search engine optimization. So if you're not being found on Google for your services, then your website is just an online business card. So this is one of your top competitors in the Michigan area. This is Cloud9 Detailing. They offer a lot of services besides just car detailing, which I like. I think that the more services that you can offer, as long as you do them well, can really help your businesses. And so that's something that I would like to talk to you about later on, maybe. They are doing a lot of things right in here. They have a lot of great pictures. They have a lot of ways to get from to different sections on their website, which Google really likes. Google really wants the customer experience to be as easy as possible. One of the things that they are also doing right is their content. Now, to Google, content is king. It really shows that you're very authoritative in your business. And so they have 1,251 words of content on their homepage. So we'd want to have your website have more than that. Now let's go look at some other numbers. So one of the most important things on this page is the UR and DR. Now the UR represents their trust with Google and the DR represents their power with Google. Now as you can see, these numbers are not very high, nor are they very close together, which is what we call the golden ratio in my business. And the way that they get these is with backlinks. So they have 170 backlinks from 60 different websites. And all a backlink is a link on someone else's website pointing to your website that transfers power from them to you. Now, as you can see, they have quite a few backlinks. So this tells me that very few of their backlinks do follow links, which actually does transfer power, nor are they good backlinks. They're probably from very spammy websites. So this is something that over time, it would be very easy to beat them out, which is great news. Now, some things they're doing right is they have 611 organic keywords, and every month, 538 people who are looking for your service are going to their website. So that's very important. What would that do for you if you were getting over 500 people calling your business asking for your services? Now, let's go look at keywords. So within the content we talked about, you really want to have location-specific keywords that people are actually searching for. So let's see if we can find something. So here we have car detailing in Sterling Heights. Around 50 people are searching for that exact search term every month, and it only has a keyword difficulty of 3, which means that it would be relatively easy to get you ranking for that search term. And what I do is I go and I find the absolute best search terms and I put them into your content. And what that does is it allows Google to link people who are actually searching for these search terms to your website. It's one of the most important things that we can have is command content with these location-specific keywords. Now, the last thing I want to talk to you about is citations, and all that is your name, address, and phone number across different directories and social media accounts across the web. And what that does is it really helps your Google My Business listing, which of course is the first thing that people pull up when they put in a service. And so that's really important also. So let's go ahead and go look at some things that we've talked about. Of course, I'm Wynn Baxter at Digital Energy. This is my contact information, although I assume that we're probably doing most of our talks over Facebook. So you want to have 1,500, 3,000 words of content on your home page and 700, 1,200 words of content on your back pages. I'm thinking you can get away with more like 1,300 words of content. If you did want to go a little bit higher, I would recommend that because a lot of people are going with marketing companies, and that means that these things are just going to keep on going up. Now you want to have strategically placed location specific keywords that people are actually searching for. The way you get your power is through backlinks, which are just links from trusted websites pointing to your website. And you also want to make sure you have citations, which is just your name, address, and phone number in different directories and social media accounts. So Boo, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I would really appreciate your feedback on it. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I look forward to talking to you later about it. I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much. Take care.